Hands are the most sensitive part of the body that gets dirty pretty easily. To avoid any cross-contamination, automatic soap dispensers, which are also known as touchless dispensers, become handy. Without getting in touch, you can wash or sanitize your hands and clean dishes quickly. There are a lot of products available on the market according to their price, size, features, and other, which is why the decision becomes tough. To cut to the chase, we've got the top 5 best automatic dispensers that can be an ideal appliance for every home. That being said, let's begin.
Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends.
Say goodbye to germs and welcome to a healthy hand washing habit with the Hanamichi soap dispenser that helps you to keep your hands clean and hygienic. It features a precise infrared motion with PIR sensor detection technology that will activate automatically as soon as you approach it, providing contactless hand washing experience. This contactless dispenser has a 400mm foaming soap capacity tank to offer you 3 levels of soap volume control so that you can smartly control the right amount of soap you need to wash your hand. Made from industry-level ABS, PC, and plastic material, it comes with a waterproof base and rubber seals that can prevent the battery compartment from getting soaked in water. To conclude, the Hanamichi soap dispenser is an ideal gadget for anyone that helps you to keep your hands germ-free all the time. Before and after cooking adventure, keep your hands free from germs and odors with Allegro, an advanced soap dispenser from Beluga that ensures quick sanitization. It comes with a gel and foaming version, letting you choose the right one according to your household needs. Plus, once you pour liquid gel or one soap tablet with a perfect amount of water, it's ready for on-demand sanitization. Being compact yet lightweight, you can place it anywhere from kitchen countertop to dining table. And the 3 AAA batteries provide up to 5 months of runtime. The 5 levels of volume control allows you to customize your favorite amount of soap so that you can experience a satisfying cleaning result after every successful recipe. Alongside, the quick drip-off will stop the pump immediately when your hands leave. In this way, your countertop or table surface will be free from the mess. In summary, keep your hands and cooking station free from mess, as the Allegro from Beluga is here for you at a reasonable price tag. Life is messy, but your hands don't have to be. Now meet with an automatic dispenser from Everlasting Comfort, which offers great value for your bang. Being compact and sleek in design, this appliance is great for bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and other places. While it can be used as a hand soap, dish soap, and hand sanitizer to maximize the protection level against harmful viruses and bacteria. The fully automatic touch-free operation helps you avoid cross-contamination, and the no-drip design is designed to disperse the precise amount of soap based on the output settings you choose. This soap dispenser is built with a durable base that protects the liquid soap dispenser from water damage. Plus, it has a 502.75ml fluid capacity, which cuts down the time needed between refills. So enjoy ultimate convenience and hygiene with the Everlasting Comfort automatic dispenser without spending a fortune. Cleaning hands is essential, and with the Secura Automatic Soap Dispenser, you can efficiently remove all the dirt, dust, and harmful bacteria without touching any button. With 502.75ml capacity, it comes with infrared sensor that can detect your hands from a decent distance, ensuring touchless, hygienic soap dispensing. The entire dispenser features IPX4 waterproof design, and the attractive high-quality chrome and black finish will blend in with any decor. When you place it on a countertop or mount it on a bathroom wall, its anti-leakage button makes sure the liquid stays in place without any leakage. This smart gadget has an LED indicator that will keep flashing when the battery is running low, so that you can reduce the possibility of cross-infection. All in all, with the Secura Automatic Soap Dispenser, you can prevent all the possible ways of cross-infection and ensure everyone stays healthy and hygienic. Wash your hands without touching anything by using the Yunts, an automatic soap dispenser that quickly releases soap with just sensing your hands. Adopting the latest infrared motion sensing technology and equipped with a powerful pump, it discharges liquid in just 0.2 seconds without dripping. There's a 45-degree inclination angle of liquid to prevent fluid from getting into the machine, while having a non-slip based rubber sealing ring to block water from entering the interior. It's powered by 4 AAA batteries, providing extended runtime, which is better than its top competitor. Top to bottom, it's IPX6 rated, which means your soap dispenser stays free from corrosion, ensuring longevity. Made from ABS Plus PC environmentally friendly plastic, this 350ml soap dispenser is an ideal choice for your toilet or kitchen without any doubt. So these were the top 5 best automatic soap dispenser just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.